we want to explain the star delta command circuit to you. One wire is passed from MCB to fast control and load control and connected to 11 stop. After stopping, it is connected to the start gate and so it continues. For wiring, you have to act in columns. That is, wire the first column completely and then move on to the rest of the columns. If you wire in this way, you will not have any problems in performance and the final test will run correctly. Now we connect from 12 stop S0 to 13 start S1. We can see on the panel that we connected 11 stops S0 to 13 starts S1. That is, we connected from stop S0 to start S1. And we need to connect 14 starters S1 to 11 starters S2 here, and we must connect to normal kilos head. And now we connected from 12 starter S2 to 11 conductor K3. Uh, the delta conductor is here where we connect to the NC of this conductor, which is normal kilos here, and to the normal kilos, connect to the normal kilos. That is from 12 K3 conductors. We connect the K2 conductor to A1. That is, we connect K2 conductor to A1 from 12 K3 conductors. It means to connect from here to here. Connect from here to here. Which we connect to A1 star conductor here, and we connected A2 to neutral as we previously connected the neutral to the neutral terminal here. Well, the first column is over. We wiring the next column. We connect 14 starters S1 to 13 conductors K2. Conductor K2 is a star. 13 is this conductor is located here. We connect 14 starters S1 to 13 conductors K2. And we connect 14 conductors K2 to A1 of the main conductor. That is, we connect 14 conductors K2 to A1 of the main conductor here. We must connect to A1. We have to use a bigger wire to fit in this part. Now we have to We have to do the third column. We must connect from 12 stops S0 to 13 conductors K1. And we connected 14 K1 conductors to 11 K2 conductors. K2, 11, 12 here. And we connect 14 K1 conductors to 11 K2 conductors. You can connect directly from work, and we connect 14 K1 conductors to 11 K2 conductors. And from 12 K2 conductors, we connect K3 conductors to A1 here. Be sure to observe the size of the wires. And A2, we connect the conductor K3 to 0. K3 to 0 to the neutral. Uh, you just need to connect it 14 K2 conductors to 11 itself here. 14 to 11 here. 14 connected to 14, and the other head connected to the 11 here. And this whole command circuit that you have to connect, it was like this. You just have to observe the size of the wires. Try to cut the wire 10 centimeter longer. If you want to make a change, don't uh, hesitate. Now we want to test the circuit. We connect the input power by using this bridge. Uh, the string circuit is energized. Now, uh, using the input, we want it to be launched first as a star and then as a delta. When you activate the input, the main of and star conductor is activated, and the motor is started as a star. These three terminals are connected to U1, V1, and W1, and these three terminals are connected to U2, V2, and W2. Now, after the certain period of the time, we will change it to the delta. The position of the star and delta conductor is a change, and the main conductor is still in the circuit in this way. Then the motor is turned off with the stop key. You can start again as a star delta. We will use the timer and PLC in the next video for this circuit. If you have a question about the common circuit, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.